If you feel tired all the time, or you're always asking yourself, why am I so tired? Don't blow it off. Give yourself about 2 to 3 weeks to make some lifestyle changes and try this energy boosters. Try these natural energy boosters.
Before watch the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Improve sleep quality. Spending your nights tossing and turning can definitely make you feel exhausted the next day. While you sleep, your body is restoring and repairing the day's damage. If you're having trouble sleeping, try some of my favorite tips. Keep a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same times each day, including weekends. This will help regulate your internal body clock. Eliminate caffeine after 3 p.m. because the effects can last up to 12 hours. Write out what's stressing you out or keeping you up at night before heading to bed. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich sources of energy. The natural sugar content in fruit and vegetables can boost your energy levels, without causing a sudden drop in energy that you can experience when eating sugary cakes or energy drinks. This is because the natural sugar in fruits and vegetables is easily absorbed by the body. Energy-boosting fruits include bananas, oranges, grapes, apples, papayas, lemons, cherries, watermelons, and blueberries. Energy-boosting vegetables include carrots, broccoli, sweet potatoes, spinach, and cucumbers. Stay hydrated with water and electrolytes. Our bodies are made up of mostly water. Even small dips in hydration are enough to affect your metabolism. Stay hydrated by making sure you're drinking enough water and other fluids throughout the day. The National Academy of Medicine suggests about 9 cups of fluids a day for women and 13 cups for men. Drink enough amount of water to stay hydrated. Vegetable juice. Drinking fresh vegetable juice is a shock to your body, in a good way. Losing the vegetable fiber during juicing makes them easier for your body to absorb and digest. And because less work is required for your body to reap the nutritional benefits, you'll notice an increase in energy. Additionally, drinking your veggies helps eliminate toxins from the body while also feeding your cells. Take in more B12. Even if you eat a balanced diet, you may be deficient in important nutrients. If you're feeling sluggish, try increasing your intake of vitamin B12. This vitamin is naturally found in animal-derived foods like meat, fish, poultry, and dairy, which explains why many vegetarians and vegans may not get enough through diet alone. Vitamin B12 is also important for anemia prevention. Vitamin B12 supplements can be found in the vitamin aisle of most grocery stores. You can take this vitamin on its own or in a blend of other B vitamins. Herbal tea. Sipping on an herbal tea can provide an all-natural temporary boost in energy levels without the risk of scary stimulants or processed ingredients. 2 wonderful options are green tea and rooibos tea. Green tea has many benefits for your body, such as anti-aging and free radical fighting properties. It is loaded with catechin, an antioxidant that helps fight damage in the body's cells. Rooibos tea is another type of tea that helps fight fatigue. Made from South Africa's red bush plant, this refreshing red tea is packed with antioxidants including aspartame, an antioxidant that helps regulate the adrenal hormones, helping to reduce stress and keep energy levels high.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share your friends and family. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is totally free.